children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes, in the previous class, what we have learned evolution of transport, will travel. What are the reasons to travel? Okay, in today's class, we learn travel in earlier times. In olden days, how they were traveling. If you have been in olden times, how would you travel? There are no cars, no scooters, no buses, anything is not there. How you will travel? We'll see in this topic, children, how the 1,000 years ago, how the people would travel. We will see in this topic, travel in earlier times. Okay, now everyone open your reader, children, workbook. In the workbook, we will read about this topic. Okay, children, open your workbook, page number 36, 37. Okay, workbook, page number 37, travel in earlier times. Everyone open your workbook, page number 37. Now we are doing S2, travel in earlier times. Write today's date, children. Today's date is 16-1-2021. Okay? Let's read the first bit. Read the comic strip and discuss the questions. Kuntu was a little boy who lived thousands of years ago. He and his family lived in a cave as they did not have houses in those days. In those days, they don't have the houses where they lived in the caves. Very often they moved from one place to another place in search of food. See the comic strip. Father, can we stop? We have been walking all morning and my foot ache. The Kuntu is saying. Already climb to, all right, climb onto buffalo, children. The father is saying to climb on a buffalo. We are in olden days, they walk or they sit on animals and travel. So, Kuntu father is saying to climb on a buffalo so that they will go because his feet was aching. See the next picture. They were traveling in the by sitting on the animal. They are traveling. Now let's do the questions. A. How are Kuntu and his family traveling? How they are traveling? They are walking. First thing, they are walking. Yes. And what? And both the children were sitting on animals. So, and by using animals. Walking. They are walking. How they were traveling? Walking and by using animals. Why are they traveling slowly? Why they are traveling slowly? Because by walking they are going, so it will become slow. What would have helped them travel faster? Nowadays we have the vehicles so that we are traveling so faster, but in olden days they don't have. They walk or they go on a animal. So what helps them travel faster? If they use vehicles. Okay, children, this is your S2. Okay, Kuntu and his family were traveling by foot and riding on animal. Traveling on foot and riding animals is very slow and it takes longer time. We can travel faster with only vehicles. So these about the travel in earlier times. Earlier times, how they traveled? They traveled by walking or on animals, by using animals. Okay, children? Children, how were the ways of travel different for earlier people from the way we travel now? We travel now and earlier times, how it will be different, we will see. Earlier times and present days. In earlier times, there were vehicles, children. So people would travel by foot or on road on animals. Moved on sledges. Sledges means slab of wood pulled by animals. Or on raft. Raft means across the river. They took a long time to reach their destination. Means they are slow. They travel very slow. Yes, but today we have many types of vehicles that help us. People travel faster by vehicles. Today we have many types of vehicles that help us reach our destination in less time. Means it will go faster and travel is more comfortable. More comfortably we can sit and we can travel in present days. But in olden days we travel by foot or on animals or on sledges or station. Children, do people travel without wheels today? Why would someone travel without wheels? In present days also we can travel without wheels, children. Yes children, we can travel. Some vehicles can't be used in the hill areas or forest or deserts because there is no proper road there. In such places people have to walk or ride on the animals. Okay children, this is about the topic how the people travel earlier times and what are the difference traveling in earlier times and present days. Okay children, now everyone open your reader. We'll read the topic travel in earlier times, children. Okay, everyone open your reader. Everyone open page number 142. Travel before the wheels. Okay, first we'll read this. See children, the evolution of transport, 23rd block. Both old and new modes of transport exist side by side. This is the old and this is the new. We travel for different reasons from very earlier times. People have been traveling from one place to another place. The way we travel in the past was very different from the way we travel now. Our modes of transport travel changed when the wheel was invented. Before the wheel were invented, how they travel, we'll see. Thousands of years ago, when the wheel was not invented, people walked long distance or rode on animals to hunt for food. When they had to cross rivers, they used logs of woods or rafts that floated on the water. See children, they have drawn like this. The cave paintings made thousands of years ago by early humans show them riding on animals. See, they have ridden on animals. They have drawn this cave painting and it has made shows us how they were traveling. Means they have conveyed the message how they are traveling by these paintings. See the animals they are traveling. See the early humans they have showed in the this cave paintings. Okay children, now turn this page. You can see here the man is riding on horse. People continue to ride on animals to travel from one place to another just as they did thousands of years ago. Now also they'll ride in the animals, children, in some places. Now everyone open your reader only. Turn the page. We'll do the question answers, children. Okay. Mark the third question as your first question. Okay. Let's do the answer. Why did people travel in earlier times even when they did not have vehicles? People traveled to hunt for food in earlier times even they do not have vehicles. Hence they moved from one place to another. This is your answer children. And we'll do the second question also. Okay. Sixth question as your question. Describe the way in which people traveled before the wheels was invented. Very easy children. Turn the page. We have just now we read the topic, right? Travel before the wheel from here to here children. We'll do this in the point wise. Thousands of years ago, when the wheel was not invented, people walked long distance on the rod on animals to hunt for food. This is your first point. And when they had to cross rivers, they used logs of wood or rafts to floats on water. This is your second point. Complete your workbook and first answer and second answer children. Okay, thank you.